Keep going. Okay, again, we're still working on getting this section. We've been, I don't know, about an hour at this point trying to do this, that, and the other thing, working that section out around the kickers. See the guy wire, we're all up against the guy wire. See the kickers, we're all up against kickers. We have the side tag hooked up. We're not maxed out on it yet. We can get more, but to help it out, we're doing this block thing right here. We got a cable going out to the point, the cable going out to the other point through a turfer. Trey's getting up on it. As he gets up on it, that will make our cable go more like a straight line. And as it goes straight line, it helps pull that section out. So like I said before, everything, it's a process. Some of this, some of that, it all works together to make it happen, Captain.